Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing on major benefits of Node.js. So as you know that Node.js is a JavaScript based framework and it directly converts your code into native code. The major features of Node.js is first of all it is open source. Second, it's very simple and fast to learn because you don't need to learn a new language. Whatever JavaScript code, JavaScript syntax that you have been using, same can be used in Node.js. So learning Node.js is simple and fast. The request response is all in asynchronous. So we have function callback. So using function callback, all the request response has been taken care. So we have the event loop mechanism through which it tracks which events are there, and as soon as uh, the method gets the result, then it is a single threaded model. So one single thread, it keeps executing all the different asynchronous process. Then highly scalable because it is single threaded, so we don't have to worry about allocating other threads. So one single thread, asynchronous. So in asynchronous, it doesn't wait for any request to complete. It takes the request and then it moves to the new request. The moment the first request is done, it collects the data and then again it moves to. So it's highly scalable and it's single threaded. There is no buffering, and plus the main thing is it is cross platform. So it is not that it is only installed or it is only working on Windows, Mac. It is not specific to any platform. It works on multiple platforms. So there are number of advantage, or and most of the backend application are, the first choice is Node.js, as already whosoever has done simple programming also, he knows HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So since starting, we are using JavaScript to make the pages dynamic. Now this is a JavaScript framework for handling all types of work, file handling, sending emails. Those earlier JavaScript was only client-based programming language. Now it has become a backend, and again it is built on V8 engine of Chrome. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.